Well, they get one more play.
One more to 6 seconds.
I think he just went over and says, just throw it up.
The last pass is complete to Michael.
So who we got here now? We've got Caruth that can fly. You got Westbrook, who's a leaper and big and strong and can run. I would think that James Kidd would be on the field as well. Probably Blake Anderson, who's he's a tough guy. Next boy.
If I were the defense, I'd have a few more guys over there.
3 wideouts at the top of the picture. Stewart with time. Lets it go. He's got 3 people down there. The ball's up in the air. Caught. Touchdown. Caught by Westbrook for a touchdown. Incredible. Despair for the maize and blues. Joy and exultation for the Buffaloes of Colorado.
Well, this is why they try it, because it works. You're always looking for the rebound. 81 Westbrook is right there. That's the way you hope it works. He threw that ball about 65 yards. There was no pressure on him. What an outstanding throw. And a great result for Colorado.
An absolutely shocking finish. They call it in some circles the Hail Mary. It was certainly prayerful. And Michael Westbrook was in the right place at the right time. Colorado has said, we don't care about kicking the ball. We got all the points we need. We win 27-26. Number 7 beats number 4. Next for Colorado, Texas and Austin. We'll show it to some of you next week. Michigan goes to Iowa to open conference play. And one more look. It'll be hard to find a play that will be remembered more than this one in the 1994 college football season.
Big players make the plays.
Yep. Who were involved will never forget it, either for the joy of it or for the pain of it. Your final score is Colorado 27, Michigan 26, officially a 64-yard pass, and Kordell Stewart now holds the Colorado career record for touchdown passes. So there has been a miracle in Ann Arbor, and it's traveling back to Boulder, Colorado.